You can use the Google Meet app on your iPad to have an office hours meeting with your students. To do this, go ahead and tap on the Google Meet app to open it up. Then you want to tap on the meeting code button. Sometimes this white panel down here at the bottom will pop open just like it did, and you'll be able to see this meeting code button easily. Other times this panel will stay right down here at the bottom, and this meeting code button will kind of be hidden behind the white border. You'll only be able to maybe see the top edge of this button kind of sticking above it down here at the bottom edge. If that happens, just tap on the top edge where you think that meeting code button might be. If it pops open, it's no problem. So let's go ahead and tap here. Meeting code is the one that we want to use to set up meetings with our students. Now we'll type in that unique meeting code or nickname that we're going to give to our students so that they'll be able to join us in the meeting. I'm going to use something like room 124 check-in. And I would give this code to my students and tell them what time they're going to join this call with me. I will put in this code right before I'm going to open the call, and then I'll tap on Join Meeting. This will open up my Google Meet call. I'll see a little pop-up again with my meeting code here, just so that I'm sure that I type that in correctly and it's the same code that I've given my students. And now my students would be able to open Google Meet on their iPad and they'd be able to join me here in this call. If I tap down here at the bottom of Google Meet, I can see my mic button, so I can mute myself if I need to. I could hang up this call by tapping on that phone, or I could turn my camera off if I needed to turn my camera off. Up at the top of Google Meet, I could tap on the people icon to be able to see who else is on the call with me. If that student or person is talking or there's any noise in the room with them, you'll see this little icon moving, and you'll also see their name here because they're logged in with their Google account. The chat icon right here will allow you to type messages to your students, or they may type messages to you. I could also tap up here at the top on these three dots if I want to share something on my iPad. Maybe I want to show some student work or some work that I want students to do, or show how to use an app. So I could tap those three dots, and then I could tap on Present Screen, and then I'd be able to share my screen.